Well, as I mentioned earlier this evening, we were going to be identifying and highlighting some of the heroes or patriots of this past year. But I also mentioned that we were going to be taking a look at the disappointments or the zeros also that took place this past year. And I guess what we're going to do right now is identify some zeros. Some very disappointments that we observed this year. And I want to go back to just a month plus, a month and a half ago, I think at this point. And it has to do with the $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill that the Democrats were pushing on the country. And I think to say it all, this bill would not have passed if it wasn't for 13 Republicans who, joined the Democrats to put this infrastructure bill. And when I say infrastructure, there was a lot of stuff in that $1.2 trillion that you kind of scratch your head and say, this is infrastructure? But again, we've got these 13 Republicans that helped push this, or that got the bill over the finish line. And I want to highlight those 13 Republicans as, I guess we'd say, disappointment or the zeros for this particular year. Very disappointing. And again, we've seen these rhinos, not just in the House, but where there's also a group of rhinos in the Senate. The head one right now, I could voice is Mitch McConnell. But my focus right now is in the House and those 13 Republicans that voted along with the Democrats. They get my zero of this year 2021.